sorry. Hello, guys. I've heard something about insurance here, so let's continue with that topic. Let me ask you one question. How many of you have insurance? And how many of you love insurance? Not many of you. So basically, we hate insurance. Our team has been developing scoring systems and underwriting systems to sell insurance policies and loans to consumer, and we know everything about how insurance companies sell their products. Basically, let's think about what is insurance right now. First of all, lack of innovation, lack of trust. Agents sometimes in some products get 90% of the policies. So basically, you're buying thin air. Insurance companies inclined not to pay claims, earning more money as a profit. Policies quite difficult to understand and basically zero value for the client. Right now, the insurance market represents 7.3% of the world GDP. So basically, this is a huge market. Look at all that mess. A lot of agents, intermediaries that helps you to provide your coverage with your insurance policy. But basically, this is just one person giving money to other person. So when we discovered blockchain technology, we decided we already been selling those insurance policies and loans for a long time, so why do we need insurance companies? So we decided to create our own infrastructure where people can pool money together and pay out if something happens to the community member. Basically, with this concept, we represent Crowdsurance. Crowdsurance is actually a unity of people that unite in communities, provide a guarantee of compensation for unexpected loss. Basically, there's no insurers, no brokers, and all processes are being controlled and managed by algorithms with full transparency in blockchain. So our platform consists of two parts. We actually see that there's no possibility to make the risk management inside a blockchain, so we put this off-chain, and as infrastructure to hold the community money, we connect it with the blockchain. We're using Microsoft services for risk management purposes, so we are using bot service, we're using machine learning and computer vision to simplify the application process when a new member comes into the community and gets insured. Our structure in the blockchain consists of different parts. Actually, you cannot be pooled with the people with a different level of risk. So if you have a higher risk, you should be pooled with the people with a higher risk. If you get low risk, you cannot be pooled with those of higher risk. So we basically create different pools, which are represented by smart contracts, and pool money together with the same level of risk based on our scoring system. And we have a super pool that actually is a facility to reinsure all the pools for all the products in the platform. Basically, you cannot start developing your own insurance product if you don't have enough money in the reinsurance facility, because you will not be able to run the claims. So our technology includes identification. Based on a neural network algorithm, we can identify that the same person or the same property or the same, pet is the same on the different pictures. We use application scoring to understand if that person received some score, he should be pooled with a people with the same level of with the same score level. We have a facial scoring. To simplify the application, we use our score based on the face of the person. Basically, that works through the machine learning technology. We have a behavioral scoring. If we see that some of the pools perform worse or better, we can just close them and repay the premiums back. Basically, to understand, without any statistics, which pools perform better and which pools perform worse. With this model, we're actually solving the old conflict of interest between insurance company and consumer, when insurance company doesn't want to pay and gains profit from unrealized risk, while our platform just takes a flat fee of 20% among all the premiums of all the products. Our first product that we wanted to make was a social one. We wanted to make a pet crowdsurance. So basically, everyone loves their pets. And the bills to get the medical expenses are quite high. So we basically created a product where people can create protect their pets based on our product and make a protection for his pet and cover 80% of the vet bill. So next stage, we will develop a platform that is actually almost ready and invite more developers to create their own products and use our reinsurance facility to start with something and not from scratch. Basically, we have several milestones that we be able to achieve. We start from pets. We can make a gadget protection, like gadget warranty for a device. We can make a parametric, like crop insurance. We can make even flight delay insurance, because it's quite simple with oracles. We can make car and house. We can actually aim at the health crowdsurance, because it's very similar to the pet crowdsurance. Actually, we're issuing a token which is based on a Bancor protocol to provide instant liquidity and be converted to Ether at any point in time before it reaches the exchanges. Basically, the token will provide continuous liquidity and instant price discovery, and will be an expert license for helping us to solve the particular case based on the decentralized voting. So we received pre-seed funding from Altair venture capital firm, and we're running a Crowdsale just because we want to build a community of people that will support the development, create new products on the platform. This is our brilliant team. At the moment, we're based in Moscow, Russia, and that's it. If you want to talk about the future of insurance, become our advisory, or maybe become an investor, please come to us and let us know. Thank you.